The fourth industrial revolution is here. Machines are becoming smart machines. Workers are increasingly tech-savvy. The manufacturing industry is leveraging AI, machine learning, and big data to become truly connected. By taking advantage of new technology, by connecting the factory floor with the Internet of Things, manufacturers are working smarter, and operations are more intelligent than ever. Microsoft is opening the door to this new revolution, empowering manufacturers to better realize the new efficiencies, innovations, and growth to be found from digital transformation. Dynamics 365 for finance and operations speeds production by speeding information flow. Users can create scalable configuration models with embedded constraints, so customer requirements and product attributes can be configured right during the sales process. The model automatically generates a listing of required materials and routes. Users can specify make to stock, make to order, configure to order, or engineer to order. Orders can be typed as discrete, process, Kanban, project, as well as mixed mode. With Dynamics 365, floor supervisors are better able to stay atop operations. The personalized production floor management workspace gives an overview of all jobs in progress in their area, each with supporting links. Supervisors can instantly view pending production orders through workspace tiles. Clicking tiles takes users to production orders and release pages. Here, they can check material availability before releasing orders to the factory floor. Gantt charts empower planners and supervisors to optimize production by making operations transparent. They can easily adjust schedules in lieu of material or resource shortages, and they're better able to make the best use of available resources to keep the lines moving.
Dynamics 365 for finance and operations keeps us from putting a poor quality product out the door. We find the problems before they get discovered by the customer.
Dynamics 365 for finance and operations seamlessly connects batch orders with the production floor as well as warehouse operations. Warehouse workers process updates on materials and components to deliver to factory lines and/or prepare finished goods ready for storage and subsequent packing for transit. Dynamics 365 supports effective accounting and forecasting with detailed breakdowns of all production and material costs and variances, including indirect costs as specified. Dynamics 365 for finance and operations production control enables floor managers to view and prioritize job lists on their lines or in area via mobile devices or job card devices on the shop floor.
I'm a Power BI guy. One of the reasons I pushed for Microsoft was the integration with Power BI for aggregation, analytics, and insights. He who has the most information wins.
Manufacturers, empowered by Microsoft Dynamics 365 for finance and operations, can optimize production through a digital feedback loop, enabling reactiveness to market diversity. They can leverage intelligent insights on production costs to promote optimum efficiency. And they can instantly scale routing to meet production demand. The next industrial revolution is here, and Microsoft is making it accessible. Discover how Dynamics 365 can improve your operations, output, and outlook. Find out more today and transform your operations into smart operations. Visit Microsoft.com/Dynamics 365.